I have compiled the definitive list of AI YouTube personalities. Nah, just kidding. It's like super highly subjective. No, these are just like all the AI YouTubers that I like, follow, and kind of wish I was friends with.
Darkness, my old friend.
There is a completely underrated YouTuber that you need to know about. And this crazy green genius is at the top of my list. TingTingin. Like, he is a character, but he's so smart and so deep and so thoughtful about all of his videos. Like, he looks like he might be AI or cartoon, but he's not. He's real and he's on a whole nother level. When he made this video, which is I've taken video deepfakes to a whole nother level, there was like no project out there. He had to write the code and put it on GitHub. Then he explains it super well and like edits like a madman. Like, I know how hard that editing is. And he's like the first one to walk me through Dream Booth. He just does great stuff. It's literally no fluff. It's all just like, wow, this is important. If you're into AI, this guy deserves your sub. Look, if you want a super smart AI hardware chick, Anastasia from Anastasia in Tech is who you should subscribe to. She covers super technical topics in a way that's totally easy to understand. She's a professional chip designer in Australia, and she breaks down some real research papers that has real applications to the AI that we know and love. Computer science, electrical engineering, it's a good combo. Okay, so let's rank her videos by popularity. New IBM breakthrough explained, new Tesla Dojo supercomputer explained, why future computers are going to be entirely different. Guess because of that little alien in the background? Is this a quantum computer thing? I don't get it, but it makes me want to click. So if you love AI, but you're not totally up on neuromorphic chips, then subscribe to her channel. So if you're interested in artificial intelligence, sometimes you don't want to read like a long research paper. You just want like a friend to go out there and explore all the new tools and show you what they found. So if that's the kind of YouTuber that you're looking for, you've got to check out MattVidPro AI. So even though I've kind of dabbled and loved artificial intelligence for years, it wasn't until I found this channel about 8 months ago that was moving from Minecraft over to artificial intelligence. And then it dawned on me like it's about time where AI is now out there in the world and there's so many products to cover that it might start intriguing people in a way that would make it relevant for YouTube. So obviously I'm a big fan. I've learned about a lot of great AI tools from this YouTuber. Useful and interesting technology content. So this looks like his most popular AI video. Freakishly accurate, free real-time voice changer, voice AI. So if being a step ahead of your friends and coworkers with AI tools is your thing, you should subscribe to MattVidPro AI. So in the artificial intelligence YouTube personality space, this is the big dog. Nobody has a bigger following than Matt Wolfe. So his about section says his channel is about AI, no code, tech, futurism, and he's a tech nerd that likes to talk about tech nerd stuff. Yo man, I get you. So I feel like Matt does kind of what I do, which is like sometimes it's news, sometimes it's more evergreen, sometimes it's a tutorial, and it kind of spans a little bit around where AI is going in many different genres. Okay, let's check out his most popular uploads. This is way better than ChatGPT. What is that? AI's most insane week ever. Things will never be the same. That's like every week in this industry. It's scary how fast it's going. That's why you need YouTubers like Matt Wolfe to keep up with it. So if you love artificial intelligence and YouTube, you might want to know about a YouTuber called Goda Go. So Goda is an architect and she's super curious about the intersection between creativity and technology. In her bio, she says she talks about tools, but that doesn't really do it justice. She's really playful with everything she makes. Like, she challenges ChatGPT in very interesting ways. Like, she's got like a psychology aspect to how she makes her videos. For example, like this one, testing latest AI gone wrong moments. Or I turned GPT-4 into a brutally honest assistant. Let's check out her most popular videos. Oh yeah, make money with ChatGPT. There was like a moment where everybody was doing that. So I think as large language models become more of our life, people like her are gonna be the right people to help you kind of see how to use it correctly, how to integrate it into your life. So this YouTube channel called All About AI is a great resource if you want to stay up on everything happening in artificial intelligence. So this creator, I would say, focuses a lot on productivity. You know, like ways to utilize the tools to be more creative, more productive, like get things done, build new things. Looks like in his bio, he talks about it being generative AI that he's passionate about. So things like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, using Python to glue it all together, AI marketing, content, AI automation, stuff like that. Dude, and his last upload is like something I feel like I need to watch right now. I need a tool like this. I really want to start a newsletter for my channel. Thanks for the tips. Let's check out his most popular videos. Dude, almost 1 million on that one. Hey man, everybody wants to take their prompts to the next level. Fully narrated story looks pretty cool too. I can imagine how you might go about doing that. I'll have to check out that video. If you're the kind of person that's kind of interested in that intersection between like Web3 sort of crypto-y stuff and artificial intelligence, then you might want to know about Brie Kirbyson's YouTube channel. So jumping over to her description, I like how she just seems to take an angle that's like learning things to thrive in the digital age, meaning it could be artificial intelligence or Web3, you know, a lifelong learner, driven by curiosity, something I respect. Cause see, if you go back in time, you can see she was more like side hustle, money kind of channel. But you can see a couple months ago, she really got into kind of the ChatGPT space, which has been what I've known her from. Oh wow, and her most popular video is just from 10 days ago. Congrats. So if you love artificial intelligence and you're a little bit more on the technical side, or at least you want to be more on the technical side, then you should know about a YouTuber Nicholas Renotte. So one of my favorite formats he uses is like, in a really short amount of time, I'm gonna like code the whole thing and deploy it and just like make something quick and dirty, but it works. And it's usually based on artificial intelligence. According to his about page, he says, I'm here to share practical ways to get started with data science, machine learning, deep learning, and using a bunch of different tools, mainly built on Python and JavaScript. Dude, I'm intrigued by his last upload. I built a GPT investment banker and LangChain crash course. I mean, that's like the go-to tool right now. People need to know this stuff. Let's check out his most popular of all time. So look, even 2 years ago, he was doing object detection. That's Python, TensorFlow. So, you know, he's obviously like just loves this stuff. So if you're looking for a YouTuber who specializes in artificial intelligence and takes every video to the next level, then you might want to subscribe to this guy, AI Explained. Like, I would say he comes with a sobering perspective. Like, he's not like, yo guys, look at this cool thing. He's kind of like, look at how crazy this is. And he gets in deep. He really thinks far into the future when he thinks about AI. You know, like MattVidPro will be like, here's some new tools you can play with today. He does videos like this. Like, if it makes $100 trillion, how will everybody get a share in that value? Or he did this amazing video explaining about how to get ChatGPT to like self-reflect on its output and actually get smarter. Yeah, it's actually this video, Smart GPT. Yeah, video from 7 days ago, totally insane. In fact, I referenced it in a couple of my videos, but he actually builds multiple chat queries that like output and then reevaluate, then output, reevaluate, and then sum, and then rank, and then gives you like an answer. It's amazing. Yeah, he'll definitely give you the impression that like we really need to get on the ball here if we want to save humanity. So subscribe now before the singularity. So if you think of yourself as kind of a photographer and you're also interested in artificial intelligence, more of the creative use of some of these tools, then you might want to know about this YouTuber, Olivio Sarikas. So at first glance, you can see there's lots of things about like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, AI art tutorials that cover the latest in techniques in Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Automatic 1111, Invoke AI, and Discover My Secret Sauce. Yeah, so this is a guy that's playing with prompts all the time. He's like looking at ways to tweak models and images, and like you can learn a lot from an artistic point of view. Let's check out his most popular video. Midjourney AI best prompt tricks. I would definitely trust him for something like that. So if you want to get a little bit more in the weeds from a developer's point of view about how artificial intelligence is changing the world, then I would recommend this YouTuber, Adrian Twarog. So you can see he's got some series that are a little bit more technical. They're a little bit older too. So how to make a custom WordPress theme, Dino tutorials. But look, now he's doing all this cool technical stuff with artificial intelligence. Like retrieving stuff from a database using OpenAI, like a large language model in a database, beginner's guide to GPT API. Let's check out his most popular. ChatGPT crash course. I tried coding on my iPad for 7 days. That blew up, man. 1.7 mil? Yeah, this guy's definitely trustworthy. He's an expert. So if you're looking for a YouTuber who wants to like break down artificial intelligence really quick and make it useful for you, then you might want to know about the AI Advantage. So like he breaks down technology in a simple way. That's great for beginners. He's got some guides that can help you get the most out of Midjourney, so it text to image prompts. Let's check out his bio. Unlock your AI superpower. Yeah, just trying to help you out. Let's check out his most popular. Wow, they're so short. ChatGPT in 2 minutes. Midjourney in 2 minutes. 2 is glowing yellow. 5 secrets to writing with ChatGPT. 4 ways ChatGPT can improve your everyday life. So I feel like sometimes they're just good introductions, something you can digest during lunch and learn more about the way the world's changing. So this YouTuber I wish published more often, but when he does, it's some of the best artificial intelligence stuff out there. So this YouTuber is named Obscurious. By the way, my channel is named Curious Future, and I tried so many different ways to like merge the word curious in. Like I had Dylan Curious and Curiositech and all these like different weird curious things, and I never thought of Obscurious. I loved it. Mind-blowing AI experimenting with the possibilities. So I feel like his channel is a little bit more like MattVidPro AI, where he actually looks at tools that are useful right now. I was gonna rank them by popularity, but he doesn't have that many videos yet. But they're all pretty popular actually. Look at those view counts. That's crazy. I would kill for that. But his videos are great. They're jam-packed with like different tools that you can use. He quickly like runs over the benefits of them. It gives you a sense for how they work. And you know, finding the right tool can save you a lot of time. It can be very productive. So if you want compilations of the greatest and latest new AI tools, subscribe to the YouTube channel Obscurious. So if you're looking for a YouTuber that you want to follow that loves technology and artificial intelligence, then you might be interested in this YouTuber, Maximize. So I feel like his videos can kind of go all over the place. Sometimes they're artificial intelligence news, which is great. Sometimes he'll find a tool and find a creative way to like use it and show it off and make an entertaining video about it. Or sometimes he'll kind of like cover other people's opinions or put it in context to what's happening today. So let's check out his about section. Hey, I'm Max. Welcome to Maximize. This is where you get the latest latest and greatest in AI tech and see amazing inventions and technology that you won't believe exists. Like sci-fi brought down to earth. Let's check out his most popular video. Forget Midjourney, this is how I make AI art now? What's better than Midjourney? I still use it. What's better? Dude, that's why 450,000 people had to watch. Looks like a lot of his best stuff is sort of art related, the prompting, bring your Midjourney AI avatar to life, AI animation. Yeah, that's always a fun process. All right, if you want an artificial intelligence YouTuber that really is thinking deep about robotics and what the future is gonna be like, then you might be interested in David Shapiro, tilde or approximately AI. He's not polarizing, but he has like a strong opinion and he thinks through things with like presentations, and I absolutely love, and it gets my mind going in all these crazy places when I watch his content. But let's hop over to his About section, see how he describes himself. I research AI cognitive architecture based on natural language and LLMs. I also build automation tools and products with cutting edge AI. Lastly, I conduct interviews with thought leaders and industry veterans. Sometimes he does presentations too. So he's got a video where he's saying how close are we to Westworld, and I remember watching the whole thing thinking like, this is so interesting. Doomerism, denialism, optimism. Let's rank him by most popular. What's his most popular vid? Post-singularity predictions, how will our lives, opportunities, and nations adapt to the AI revolution? Big question. We'll have to take it day by day, but I'm glad people like David are even thinking about it. So if you're looking for a YouTuber that's all about artificial intelligence and where it intersects with art, then you should check out Samson Vowles' Delightful Design. Let's start by checking out his About section. I bring you all the latest in things AI, like that, from discussing prompts usually used to make images and stuff like that, to providing commentary on new technology. Every video is a deep dive into this revolution. So I've seen him cover tools, I've seen him, especially with images, talk about how to prompt. Midjourney v5 plus GPT-4 equals God. Dude, that's similar to that other YouTuber we checked out. Oh, that was also like a month ago. There's something about that Midjourney GPT-4, like something was just happening right then. But you know, like a useful 1-minute tutorial how to upload an image to Midjourney, like I remember needing to learn that. So prompts, art pieces, stuff like that. If you're interested in the intersection of artificial intelligence and animation, which can be anything from animated to avatar to 3D design, then you might want to check out a YouTuber called Prompt Muse. So you can see right off the bat, there's like taking AI animation to the next level, crazy new updates to metahumans, and run stable diffusion on any device, no PC required, creating a 3D world using AI images. So let's check out her About section. AI enthusiast who loves sharing, teaching, and helping others access the amazing technology that surrounds us. She worked as a professional 3D artist and spent her time in digital design. So that's the kind of thing you'll get from this YouTube channel. Let's rank the videos by most popular. 62,000 subs, 429K, that's a breakout. So you'll get a lot of tutorials. Sometimes they'll be like collab notebooks where she walks you through the code, or other times it'll be like an AI plugin in a 3D environment. All right, last but not least, there's my channel, Curious Future. So in a nutshell, I love artificial intelligence, worked in technology for a long time, left a tech job to try to build something on YouTube where I could explore and research all day long. So you can see from my playlist page, I try to cover topics in all sorts of different industries because I see artificial intelligence kind of one by one taking over each industry. It might be man's last invention, because we're on the verge of inventing something that invents better than us. So if you're interested in my videos, sometimes they're tutorials, sometimes they're news updates, sometimes they're a collection of thoughts and opinions about how society is changing, but they're always videos that I'm deeply passionate about and might change the world in substantial ways. So if that sounds interesting to you, hit subscribe on the YouTube channel Curious Future. Smash that subscribe button.